The collet cone holds the router bits in your router. It works with the collet nut. The collet is milled on the inside to hold a 1/2-inch bit. The outside of the collet has a taper that is milled to match the taper in the spindle. When the collet nut is tightened, it presses the collet down and into the spindle. The matching tapers compress the collet around the bit, clamping it firmly. After years of use, the collet can crack and break. If the bit isn't tightened firmly, it can spin in the collet, causing wear and damage. Replacing the collet is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by unthreading the collet nut from the spindle. The collet is clipped inside of the collet nut. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to remove it. Now I can snap the new collet into place. And this assembly is ready to go back onto the router. And that's how simple it is to install a new collet cone on your router. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.